Amazing King number 11, Hans Vergara. And our second spot goes to
Makita!
Amazing King number 12, Jojo Nepasala. Congratulations, because you earned our third spot. Amazing King number. Amazing King number 3, Ruco Velasco. And now, ito na. 11 amazing candidates are waiting their names, their numbers to be called. The fourth spot goes to
Mapandan kasi.
Amazing King number 14, Chad Francis.
Baka yan pa manalo.
3 more spots,
Baka
ladies
pa
and
yan manalo.
gents. Congratulations, Amazing King number. Anong number pang isigaw?
Yan niya lang sa question.
Amazing King number 10, Nash Mendoza. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, eto na. 5 na ang ating natawag. So meron pang 9 Amazing Kings waiting for their numbers to be called. Eto na, the 6th spot goes to this is your lucky night, Amazing King number 1, Scepter Mapandan. To the final spot. Congratulations, Amazing King number. Sino pa ang hinahanap natin? Pakisigaw ang kukumpleto sa ating top 7 ay walang iba kundi si Amazing King number number 6, Marvin Suyat. Congratulations to our top 7 Amazing Kings. Candidates 11, 12, 3, 14, 10, 1, and 6. Palapakan natin, ladies and gentlemen,